Now, if you ever walk into your basement or laundry room and immediately notice that damp, musty smell, you know how frustrating humidity can be. It makes the room uncomfortable, encourages mold growth, and honestly, just makes your home feel less clean. So today we're checking out the new DREO Dehumidifier 733S. This is DREO's latest smart dehumidifier, and on paper, it promises faster moisture removal, lower energy cost, quieter operation, and smart app controls that actually show how much electricity you are using. Now, I've been testing it around the house, especially in my basement and laundry area. So let's see if it's actually worth buying. Now, first thing I noticed is that it doesn't look like your typical bulky appliance, right? It has a clean, modern design that blends into the room instead of looking like an industrial machine sitting in the corner. Now, moving it around also is super easy thanks to the built-in wheels and side handles. If you need to bring it from your basement or to another room, it's not a hassle at all. Another nice touch is the large water tank. It's 1.85 gallon or 7-liter tank, so you don't have to empty it nearly as often as smaller dehumidifiers. Now, if you've never wanted to worry about the tank at all, DREO actually includes a drain hose so you can connect it directly for continuous drainage. It's one of those little conveniences that makes daily use much easier.
Now, this is what you get in the box. You get the instruction manual. You got this tube as well. If you want to do like continuous draining, you basically plug it in and you're good to go. You turn it on just like that, and you get this indicator light on the bottom as well. Let's go ahead and put this and connect this with our app. There it is. It's able to find out what it is. Let's add that device. There it is. And make sure you just use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi for this. There it is, super easy. And then we're just gonna add a new room here. We'll call it basement. This is the basement that we're in. Hit next. It's the color white that we have, and we're done.
Now let's talk about what actually matters. Can it remove moisture quickly? Now, this model is rated up to 73 pints per day. Under high humidity conditions and under standard testing conditions, it removes 22 pints per day while covering spaces up to around 2,000 square feet. Now, what I noticed during testing was that the room started noticeably less damp after just a short period. Now, DREO also claims it can reduce relative humidity by up to 25% within an hour, depending on the environment. So it doesn't spend all day trying to catch up. Now, part of that comes from the engineering inside of it. Now, instead of using smaller coils, DREO uses thicker 7mm copper coils with a dual coil design to improve heat transfer and moisture collection. Now, combined with the high airflow system, the unit keeps pulling moisture efficiently without feeling slow or underpowered. Now, if you have a basement, laundry room, or storage room, or anywhere that tends to stay humid, this is definitely built for those situations. Now, one thing I really appreciate is how quiet it is. Most dehumidifiers constantly remind you that they are running because it's too loud. This one operates around 42 decibels, which is surprisingly quiet. It just sits in the corner and you won't even notice it at all. If it's sitting in the basement while you're watching TV upstairs, chances are you won't even think about it. You won't even hear it. Even if you place it near a bedroom or maybe office, the noise is much less distracting than many dehumidifiers I've ever used. It's actually running right now and you don't hear it at all. That's something you'll appreciate if it's running for hours every single day. The smart features are actually useful instead of just existing for marketing.
And here you'll be able to see all the controls for this guy. You can schedule it when it turns on, timed off, timed on, and also have it in periods. It also tells you here what kind of humidity you have, 52%. You can also connect it via voice control here on Alexa and Google Assistant, which is really cool. You can see your usage here as well throughout the week and day. You can also change the settings of the light right here. We can set the target humidity here and set it to whatever we want. Do we want 50% or do we want more? It's up to you. Right now we have 45% right there. We can make it continuous or custom as well. We'll just hit auto for now. You can also change the fan speed here, high, low, it's up to you. And then the indicator light is how, this is really cool, I think, where you can get like 66%. It shows that it's wet right there. So it depends on the color of what you got here on the bottom. That's how you can set it. If it's yellow, then the area is super dry. So you don't have to look at the percentage up here. You can just look at the colors, which is really cool. You can also do a child lock just in case your child, wants to fiddle with it. And then you can do a power failure recovery as well. When your lights or your power turn off on your house, then this will turn on automatically. You can also turn off the display if you wanted to make it cleaner. But I like to keep it on just for ease of use. And of course, you can turn it off right there, right off the app.
Using the DREO app, you can monitor humidity, change settings remotely, create schedules, receive maintenance reminders, and even use voice control to Alexa and Google Assistant. But my favorite feature is probably the energy tracking. Now, the app actually estimates how much electricity the dehumidifier is consuming and even shows your daily, weekly, and yearly energy usage. Now, I've honestly never seen that built into dehumidifier before. Instead of wondering if it's expensive to run, you can actually see the numbers. For anyone trying to reduce electricity costs, that's a genuinely helpful feature. Now, another feature I ended up using the most was the auto mode. Instead of constantly changing settings yourself, you simply choose your target humidity and let the machine do the work. Now, the built-in humidity sensor continuously monitors the room and automatically adjusts operation to maintain the humidity level. There's also a color indicator on the front. Blue means the humidity is still high. Green means everything is sitting in the comfortable range. Orange tells you that the room is already very dry. It's a simple visual feature, but it's surprisingly convenient because you can tell the room's condition from across the room without even opening the app. And then you can also change that setting wherever you want to. Now, running a dehumidifier for hours every day can definitely add to your electricity bill. Thankfully, this unit is Energy Star version 6.0 certified. According to DREO, it removes up to 3.7 pints of water per kilowatt hour, outperforming standards efficiency requirement. Now, if you're someone who needs a dehumidifier running throughout spring and summer, those efficiency improvements can actually make a noticeable difference over time. Now, instead of just removing moisture effectively, it's doing it while it's using less electricity, which is amazing. Now, after spending time with it, here's the biggest positives in my opinion. The moisture removal performance is very strong and efficient. I love how it's quieter than many competing models. The smart app I think is amazing as well. It's genuinely very useful instead of feeling unnecessary. I like being able to see energy usage in real time as well. And the larger water tank means fewer trips to empty it. And having both manual and continuous drainage option gives you the flexibility depending on where you are using the device. Now, it also includes practical safety features like automatic defrost, overcurrent protection, thermal protection, and tip over protection, making it a unit that you can comfortably leave running for extended periods. Now, overall, I think the DREO did a really good job with the 733S. It isn't trying to reinvent what a dehumidifier is. Instead, it improves all the things people actually care about. It's quieter, it's more energy efficient, it removes moisture quickly and efficiently, the app is actually useful, and everyday usability is excellent. If you have a damp basement, just like I do, laundry room, or larger living space that constantly struggles with humidity, this is one that I would consider. It combines strong performance with lower operating cost, and that's something you'll appreciate long after the initial purchase. If you have any questions about the DREO Dehumidifier 733S, leave them down below and I'll see you guys over there. I'll do my best to answer them as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!